Hey friends, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to download or install Brawlhalla game for free via the Steam launcher on PC. So without wasting time, here follow the steps very carefully. So first of all, open Steam, go to the store, and in search the store, search for Brawlhalla game, and then click on Brawlhalla game. Scroll down, and here you will see Play Brawlhalla free to play. So click on Play Game button. And here you will see Brawlhalla game, and the file size is 1.31 GB. So click on install button, then go to library, and here we can see that Brawlhalla game is getting downloaded on my PC for free via the Steam launcher. So that's all for this video. If this video helped you, then please like and share this video, and also subscribe to my YouTube channel to get the latest updates. Thank you.